Today at Highridge AI Consulting, we're going to look at onboarding and creating a automated flow where uh, important documents can be loaded through a form, and they will flow directly into your OneDrive, or it can be Google Drive as well. So in this particular example, we're collecting 6 documents: proof of insurance, business license, signed contract, tax certificate, certificate of incorporation, and your banking details. So we set the initial form up, we give the link to the client, and then the client will upload the documents. You don't need to keep checking in with the client. Once all documents have been loaded, you will get an automated email to say that onboarding is done. So there's no constant follow-up, no chasing, no phone calls. If the client uploads 3 documents and is still missing 3, they're going to get an email to say you're still missing 3. Let's run this through. This is the form built through Tally. Simple email and name, and you can see the documents that are pre-prepared: proof of insurance, business license. So just going to trigger the automation, which will keep an eye out for the form. So let's submit. We're submitting 3 only in this instance. And what we should expect here is to see 3 documents getting loaded, and then the client email will come back to them saying, you're still missing 3 documents, and please upload the rest. And our spreadsheet online, which we can see, you can actually start to see it pre-populating. So the time is corresponding with where we are now. And this is the file link. So that's where it's going to sit in OneDrive. So we've got 3 emails, or we've got 3 documents loaded up. Let's check our email. Okay, so this is the automated email that's going back to the client to tell them, all right, thank you, we received your latest onboarding documents, but there's still 3 outstanding. All right, so this is telling the client, yeah, I got to upload the rest of these documents. So what I've done is pre-populated the form. So we've got the remaining 3 documents. This is from the client's view. And this is all going to run in the background. I'm just triggering it manually today. So let's fire this off back into the automation. We can see it starting to run here. So the expected output here from this now is that the automation will pick up that 3 new documents have been sent through. It'll go to a different filter, and it'll pick up that now all documents have been collected, and the team here, your own team, will receive an email to say that the document collection is complete. So let's have a look at the documents. All right, so there you can see, here's the email. All right, so there you go. Hi, all required documents have now been submitted for Alex demo. The document collection is complete and the file is ready. So now you can go and you can look at the documents, you can make sure everything is being collected. Also here you can see on your OneDrive tracker, all documents have received. You can see the break in the time as well for the 3 new documents. So really cool flow for onboarding. No questions. You don't need to go back to the client asking them to reload documents, anything like that. It's all automated. If you've got an idea around automation or onboarding that you want to add on to this, please let me know. Highridge AI Consulting.